6, 2021. This one here, I got a call from a lady. She says our outside condenser's not working. We're gonna go by there and give it a look-see and see what's going on with
it. 2 and 76 was
72 to 74, so it's set for 72. Push hold. And we'll check it outside. The fan's running inside. You said you changed the filter, right?
Oh yeah, those were brand new when I started this year.
Okay.
I always start off with the new filter.
New filters. All right, I'll check it.
And you told me not the pleated ones.
Yeah, you want the ones who got airflow. That's what you need. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I remember you telling me that. So when I go and get them, I said I don't want the pleated ones.
No, you want the cheapies.
Oh, they're not that cheap anymore. I paid big bucks for the last 2 I bought.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, let me go figure out what's going on outside. Sounds like something's humming. Well, she's not kicking in. You played around with the breakers at all? No? Down cellar?
I looked at them, but I didn't see anything out of the ordinary. Because my son was on the phone with me this morning. He said, well, we'll hang up, Ma. And he said, you call that air conditioning man right away, because it's going to be mighty hot.
It's a 3-tonner. 04.
Yeah, you installed it in 04, but you came back in April of 05 to activate it and get it.
I installed this?
Yes, you did. That's why I keep calling you. I said, this is his baby. I'll call him back.
Ain't that funny? It's my baby. Yeah, it's pulled in. The contactor's pulled in. Ooh, something smells fried.
Oh, really?
It seems like it's trying to pull in, but it's not going down. Yeah, the contactor looks fried to me.
Oh, dear.
See it? It was sticking. It wasn't going down all the way.
Oh!
It's all cooked. So we're going to get another contactor for it. Let's go shut it off inside.
The whole system?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll get another contactor for it. This is a screamer. I got contactors in here, brand new ones, so that'll be a problem. Single pole, that's what we want. That's what we want. Alright, we'll change it out.
Oh, good.
No biggie.
She does well.
She cools well?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
When I came here and I heard it humming, it wasn't engaged all the way. So when I pushed it down, then it engaged.
Oh, I see.
You can see it's kind of like all crusty. Get it off, yeah, for sure. Okay. You can smell it. Can you smell it's kind of cooked? You can't smell that? Did you have covert 19? No?
Oh, I don't have that, and I'm fully vaccinated.
You lost your smell? No?
No, but sometimes my sniffer just doesn't work all that well.
No. The sniffer.
Yeah, my sniffer. As my son calls it, he calls it a snot box. But I don't like that terminology.
But other than that, it's been cooling okay?
Oh, yeah.
No issues?
No. I mean, when I have an issue, I call you.
You call me right away, right?
Yes. And like I said, I remembered the last time you told me to shut the thing down.
Yeah, if it's not working, why keep it running?
Right, I probably would burn out the unit upstairs, and I don't want to do that.
Yeah, no, you want to... If it's not working, we shut them off.
Yeah. Well, that's what I did, because I remembered what you told me.
Well, I'm glad you listen.
Oh, I do.
Most people don't listen.
Hey, you know your stuff. I don't, so your word on this stuff is gospel. I don't want to mess around, you know.
I can smell that the contactor's cooked. You can see it. You can see it's cooked too.
Yeah.
You can see how it's all burnt.
Well, I have allergies. You know, I'm out cutting grass, and boy, do I know it.
Really?
Yeah, so that's why I say the sniffer doesn't do a good job all the time. I'm usually popping the over-the-counter allergy pills all this season. Yeah, because I cut my own grass, but I don't think that's going to be lasting too much longer.
No, you're going to have somebody else do it?
I might have to.
Yeah.
When the insides start hurting, and they hurt for about 3 days, then it's time.
Yeah, it's time, huh?
I'm no young chicken, you know.
No spring chicken.
No. And I love being outside, you know, to cut the grass, but there I do. It's long pants and a sweatshirt because the mosquitoes eat me alive.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, this is Walter Hogan. You been here before?
Okay, what's up?
Okay. I've got a water heater. It's electric hot water here at the kitchen under the counter, right?
Great.
Okay, and I had it there, put there on purpose. I didn't want it in the crawl space, you know? Okay, so I don't know whether it's just had it or what I think it has. I'm not positive though. What would it be if I have to have that installed? Because it can be repaired, but I want to see the worst case scenario.
Is it leaking?
What we're getting is hot and cold water. So it looks like, near one of the panels that can be removed, I think it might be black. You know.
Oh, it might need another control. What size is the heater?
It's 20 gallon.
20 gallon. Yeah, I'd have to go by there and look at it, guy, be honest with you.
Okay, what I got, this is an unusual situation, right? Because I've got tankless hot water, right? Besides that, right? Tankless hot water, you know, when you need water, even in the summer, the furnace comes on. Somebody told me it's cost you a fortune. You want to put an electric hot water heater in instead of that, right? That's how I got this. Somebody told me, look, I can set it up so that the electric hot water heater becomes the expansion tank on the furnace. So what happens is
Sounds like you better call that guy back. I give you all this advice. I think you better call the guy back and gave you all this advice.
He's dead.
He's dead?
Yeah. But anyways, what I have here is going hot and cold.
I'd have to go by and see what your situation is, sir.
Okay, that would be okay.
Let me give you a call back. I'm in the middle of a job right now. I'll call you back when I'm done here, and we'll take your information down, okay?
Okay, yeah, you've been here before. You worked on the furnace. 33 Clark Road in Lakeville.
Oh, it's in Lakeville.
Yeah. Yeah, you've been here before.
It's probably going to be Wednesday or Thursday before I can get there. You need it done today?
No.
Yeah.
I can put up with it.
Let me.
I'm trying to figure out what the options are in the worst case scenario.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, let me.
You've been here before. I talked to you and I kind of trust you.
All right, let me give you a call back and we'll go over it and we'll come to a conclusion. Okay?
Okay, thanks. All right.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
I'll be here a while. All right.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
You never know, right?
Yeah, that's for sure.
All right, go ahead and turn it on, and we'll. Has it been cooling good?
Yes.
No issues with that part.
No, I'm happy. Best investment I ever made.
Really? All right, we'll put the breaker back in, and we're gonna go turn it on. Best investment she ever made, she said. That's usually what I tell people. You're gonna like it. You're gonna like it. See if it comes on. Best investment she ever made. You can smell it's cooked. crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Look at the thing, it's all cooked. I want the pie. It's dripping, that's what we want to see.
Oh, I see, yeah.
We want that condensation to come out. So nice and warm here. Feel that. That's good.
Yeah. That's dragging.
It's been cool. It's been cool and good, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I just wanted to hit it quick with my apparatus here.